Assalamu alaikum guys, how is everyone? Today I'm making really interesting recipe which is very easy to make and using my Instapot this time, and it's good for the people who are doing the keto diet too. I'm using the turkey keema today, turkey hamburger. If you like, you can use beef hamburger or any other kind of meat. Um, so here I have turkey keema, and you can obviously use beef or any other kind of meat you like. Today I have this, it's 1 pound. So the ingredients you need for the keema is half an onion, 2 tomatoes, few green peppers, that's optional, and cilantro here. I have ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red pepper, half a teaspoon of curry powder or haldi, a teaspoon of, where's the coriander? Yeah, that's the coriander powder, and this is a cumin powder, half a teaspoon. So I'm making this in the Instant Pot. There goes the keema, onion, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, Instant Pot. So I turned it on for pressure cooker for 7 minutes. Sealing here. So let's get back with it later. Okay, so I opened it up. Now time to switch the onion. You want it? Okay, here's keema. I'm gonna add a couple of, maybe 2 or 3 green peppers. I have to put a little bit oil in there, just lacking oil. Some more olive oil. Now I'm going to add some cilantro and some garam masala. That's optional, of course, it's all spice. Just a little bit, 1/4 teaspoon. And down here, I'll show you the final product. Okay guys, here's the keema, and it tastes really good. You can eat it with roti, rice, lettuce wrap, make it into lettuce wrap with some chopped up salad and some hot sauce on top or yogurt chutney on top. Tastes really well. Thank you for watching. Until next time.